Hi everyone, this is Anne. I wanted to share with you a product that works great for reducing lines, wrinkles, and crepey skin both on the face and the body. This is a retinaldehyde serum, and retinaldehyde is closer to retin A than other retinols are. It only takes one conversion step within the skin to turn it into retinoic acid, which is what retin A is, without the irritation of retin A. So this is a great product for sensitive skin. Retinaldehyde rejuvenates the skin by increasing cell turnover, which helps to even the skin tone and reduce dark spots. It also increases collagen production within the skin for firmer, less wrinkled, and less crepey skin. This serum is lightweight, it's moisturizing, and it absorbs well. You can use it all over your face and body for some great anti-aging results. This is not a sponsored video. I'm just sharing with you a product that I use nightly on my body, and I love the results from this product. It comes in a large 5.07 ounce bottle, and it retails for $19.99. I will go ahead and link this item beneath the video in the description box and also in the first pinned comment underneath this video in case you want to go on and read more about the product. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it.